Hello everyone. Turbomachinery CFD Masterclass is a comprehensive project-based course on CFD simulation of turbomachinery using STAR-CCM+. Throughout the course, you will learn the complete simulation workflow from geometry creation, meshing, and physics setup to numerical solution, post-processing, performance analysis, and validation. The course is built around realistic engineering projects, providing hands-on experience with practical industrial applications. Most of the geometry modeling is performed using STAR's built-in tools, minimizing the need for external CAD software. This course is intended for engineers, researchers, and graduate students who already have a basic understanding of CFD and want to develop the advanced skills required for industrial turbomachinery simulations. This course is continuously expanding, and many new turbomachinery projects are already planned. The topics covered in this course include centrifugal water pump performance analysis, supersonic aircraft propeller geometry generation, supersonic aircraft propeller performance simulation. Here are some of the topics that are coming next. Turbofan engine first stage turbine analysis using the NASA Transonic Rotor 37 benchmark. Marine propeller geometry with cylindrical airfoil sections, parametric and equation-based propeller design, wind turbine performance evaluation using the NREL 5 megawatts reference turbine, harmonic balance simulations based on the subsonic Aachen turbine, propeller blade fluid structure interaction FSI simulation. These tutorials will focus on practical engineering workflows, accurate CFD setup, and validation against reference data whenever possible. If there's a turbomachinery topic, benchmark case, validation study, or STAR-CCM plus workflow you'd like to see in this course, please leave your suggestions in the Q&A section or in the course reviews. Your feedback helps decide what we build next.